17,60,000 tax-free money. How to take with premium holiday. It's from LIC's new money back plan. Welcome to My Insurance Guru. Today we will understand how to take 17,60,000 tax-free money with premium holiday for the last 5 years. That is from LIC's new money back plan. Kindly subscribe my channel. Still you are not yet subscribe the channel if this video is informative. Main key features of this plan is new money back plan. The minimum age of entry is 13 years, maximum it is 50 years, and minimum policy term is 20 years and maximum is 20. In money back policy term is fixed. Minimum sum assured 1 lakh, maximum no limit. Minimum maturity age is 33 years, maximum 70 years. Premium paying term is 15 years. Payment modes are allowed yearly, half yearly, quarterly and monthly NACH. Premium paying modes are allowed with yearly, half yearly, quarterly and monthly NACH. It has mode rebate also. For yearly mode 2% rebate on premium every year. For half yearly mode 1% rebate on premium every year. Grace period is also allowed with this policy. Grace period means its extended period from the due date. It is 30 days from due date for yearly, half yearly and quarterly, and 15 days from due date for monthly NACH. Policy can be revived within the 5 years from the first unpaid premium. Revival means if the policy is not paid within the grace period, policy will be treated as a lapsed policy. To activate the policy, the process is called policy revival. Policy has a pre-look-in period of 15 days from the policy bond received. It has a liquidity. After 2 full years, you can liquidate the policy. It has a policy loan. After 2 full years, you can go for a policy loan. Policy loan gives a minimum 50% of the premium paid. Policy gives tax exemption under section 80C for 1,50,000 per annum and under section 1010D for the maturity or death claim or survival benefits, whatever it is paid from the policy. It has a settlement option also for 5 years, 10 years and 15 years. It has optional riders, double accidental rider, double accidental disability benefit rider, term rider, critical illness rider and premium waiver benefit rider. Double accidental and disability rider, it gives an additional benefit of double the basic sum assured in case of accidental death and disability benefits also. Term rider helps to increase the coverage by paying a nominal premium. You can double the basic life coverage. Critical illness rider gives a benefit in case of any critical illnesses. Premium waiver benefit rider is included where the policy is issued on a minor's life. Let's understand this LIC's new money back plan, how to take 17,60,000 with example. Mr. X, age 25 years, term 20 years. Sum assured he buys for 10 lakhs and premium is rupees 202 and 20 rupees per day, and that is without GST. If the policy is taken, the coverage of 10 lakh starts from the day 1. At the end of 5th year, he gets back 2 lakh tax-free money. It's called survival benefit. And again, at the end of 10th year, 2 more lakhs and 15th year, 2 more lakhs. Totally 6 lakhs is paid as a survival benefit as it is tax-free money. At the end of 20th year, policyholder is eligible to get a maturity, that is 40% of the sum assured plus accrued bonus plus FAB if any. So it's 4 lakhs plus 7,20,000 plus 40,000, totally 11,60,000. Here the bonus is considered as per the LIC's 2020-21 declared bonus for calculation purpose, and whole amount whatever you are getting back from the LIC, it is tax free. Let's understand how if any uncertainty happens with the Mr. X after the policy commenced. At the end of 5th year, if the policyholder meets with a natural uncertainty, the nominee will get a death claim of natural death claim, that is sum assured plus the accrued bonus for the 5 years. That is totally 10 lakhs plus 1,80,000, completely 11,80,000. If it is at the end of 10th year, nominee will get a natural death claim benefit of 10 lakhs plus 3,60,000, that is 13,60,000. Similarly, at the end of 15th year, nominee will get a natural death benefit of 10 lakhs plus 5,40,000 accrued bonus and 2 lakhs of survival benefit which has already accumulated. Totally it is 17 lakh 40,000. All this money, it's completely tax free. So all put together, it's under section 1010D. Whole money it is tax free. Suppose if the policy holder or Mr. X meets with an accidental death, it gives a coverage of double the sum assured. Now policy nominee is eligible for accidental death claim, that is 20 lakhs plus accrued bonus for of 3,60,000. Totally 23,60,000. Suppose if Mr. X meets with a accidental death. If it is an accidental disability, policy holder is eligible for the disability benefits, that is 10 lakhs of the sum assured is divided into 120 equal monthly installments plus future premiums are waived. In addition to that, at the end of 15th year, you will get back 2 lakhs survival benefit plus 11,60,000, which is a maturity at the end of 20th year. It is totally 23,60,000. Suppose if there is a death after the disability before the 20th year, nominee is eligible for the death claim benefit also. This is totally tax free. If this video is useful and informative, kindly click on the like and share button. Kindly share this video more and more. Also subscribe My Insurance Guru. Click on the bell icon to watch further new videos. If there is any clarification with this video, you can kindly put it in the comment box so that I can clear you. Thank you for